Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to view information about your note on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then go to your homepage and select a note from the All Notes section. But you can also create a completely new note by tapping on this icon down below in the right side corner. But right now I am going to select a note that already exists and that I'm interested in. So click on this three dots icon in the upper right corner and tap on the info option. Here you can see the date of modification, date of creation, word count, the page size, highlighter, and the Apple Pencil options if you have any. So if you want to go back to the previous page, all you have to do is clicking the button done if you are done with reading all these information. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.